We are Auggen21, our official submission video for Samhar Covid19 Hackathon. We are trying to find the solution of the problem given in the Samhar Covid19 Hackathon, that is, diagnosing COVID 19 using AI based medical image analysis. Our proposed solution is to predict an X-ray lung image whether it contains COVID-19 or pneumonia or it is normal. The first step is data preparation. Open it using Google Colab. These are the dataset we have used. Now, mount the Google Drive. 3 directories have been made to store the data, such as COVID, pneumonia, and normal. Now we are cloning the chest X-ray dataset from the GitHub. Using the metadata, we are splitting the images to COVID or pneumonia. Now, second dataset is cloned and using its metadata, images are stored differently. Third dataset is from Kaggle. It's being downloaded and it's split into 3 folders. These data are now compressed into a zip and saved into Drive as data.zip. Second step is to run model training. Before running the program, check whether the Google Colab runtime is GPU or not. Now mount the drive and unzip the package from drive. Import the necessary packages and setting the strategy for GPU. Set the learn rate schedule. Now we create our own model, Augg model. Its summary is being shown and it's being plotted. only 59,000 parameters are in this model, we have given the dataset for training and testing. It is divided by the ratio 0.8. Here, model has been trained for 20 epochs only because Google Colab does not support continuous use of GPU. Accuracy and loss for the model are plotted. Here we can see the accuracy and loss for the model. We already trained the model for 100 epochs by training multiple times, and we are just loading it. Summary of the model can be seen here. Using this best model, we are going to predict the entire dataset. Now we are showing the confusion matrix. Classification accuracy and scatter plot has been shown here with an accuracy of 98%. Third step will help to predict for a single lung X-ray image whether it is COVID, pneumonia or normal. Here we are mount the drive. Loading the model. As a result, we got 3 folders. It contains COVID data, normal data, and pneumonia data. Here we are testing images using their path to predict the image contain normal or pneumonia or COVID-19. Thank you for watching.